Hello my students, I'm your biology teacher, Cikgu Govin. So our topic today is inheritance and our subtopic is 11.3, Gene and Alleles. Here are the learning standards. Lesson number 1, describe the meaning of locus, and number 2, relate alleles and loci to gene in the chromosomes. Definitions of locus. Each chromosome carries many genes. Allele which represent a gene is located at the same locus as the gene. So this is gene locus and this is the allele that represents genes. An allele is an alternative form of a gene for a specific trait that is located on the same locus of a pair of homologous chromosomes. Human chromosomes are called diploid organisms because they have two alleles at each gene locus, with one allele inherited from each parents. So on these two locus, the genes are homozygous because of similar allele. So this one we call it homozygous dominance, and this one is homozygous recessive. On this locus, the genes are heterozygous because of different alleles. Okay, so this one we call it heterozygous. Okay, some alleles are dominant and some are recessive. When organism is heterozygous at specific locus and carry one dominant and one recessive allele, the organism will express the dominant phenotypes. Formative practice 11.3. Here are the questions. Question number 1, state the meaning of A. Locus, B. Alleles. Okay, the answer is locus is specific location of a gene in a chromosome, while allele is alternative forms of a gene for a specific trait that is located on the same locus of a pair of homologous chromosomes. Question number 2. Based on the figure below, explain the relationship between locus, gene, and alleles. Okay, this is the pair of homologous chromosomes. This is a locus of a gene that controls flower color in the pea plants. This capital letter P represents allele for purple flower, and small letter p represents allele for white flower. So the answer is, based on the figure, genes that control flower color of a pea plant is at the same locus of a homologous chromosome and appear as two alleles, which are big P and small p. Big P allele determines purple flower for dominant alleles, and small letter p allele determines white flower or recessive alleles. That's all for today. Thank you and see you in next lessons. Bye bye.